In today's video, I will be showing you my top 5 apps to truly jailbreak your Fire Stick. Whether it's sports, movies, TV shows, or live TV you're after, I've got you covered. I will even give you the codes of 30 alternative apps for you to try, ensuring you will have every type of content you will need. Oh, and make sure to stay till the end, as after the guide we will show you how you can get your hands on a brand new Fire Stick 4K Max absolutely free. If that sounds good, just grab your remote and let's get started. Now, before we start, did you know that 93% of the viewers on my last upload were not subscribed to the channel? Crazy, huh? If I could ask that, if you genuinely find my videos helpful, please do subscribe. It only takes a second and really helps out the channel massively. As this is a complete guide, we will start completely from scratch. So first, we need to download an app called Downloader. This can be found by heading to the search bar, and as soon as you start typing it in, it should appear at the top of the list. Select it and then click Download. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that subscribe button, it helps out the channel massively and ensures you never miss one of our awesome guides. Once it's downloaded, before we open it for the first time, we need to change a few settings. Hit back a couple of times until you are back at the home screen, then make your way over to the settings icon. Now make your way down to my Fire TV and hit the select button. As you can see, I have developer options already enabled on my device. To enable them, you just need to head into the About section, then click on your device 7 times. You will then get a notification saying you are now a developer. Press the back button, enter the developer options, and click on Install Unknown Apps. You will see Downloader in the list. You can now switch the toggle to On. Keep hitting back on your remote until you get to your home screen. As Downloader is an app that's going to be used a lot in the future, I like to move it to the front of the list. Just head to your apps, go down to Downloader and press the menu button on your remote. In the side menu, select the option to move app to the front of the list. Head across to the Downloader app. When it opens up, just head to the search bar and type in the code you see here on the screen. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need a little more time. Just make sure you type exactly what you see here to make sure you are getting the right app. Let the app download, hit install, and once it's done, that's it. Okay, so as before, head to Downloader and enter this second code and hit go when you're done. Like earlier, just follow the prompts to install the app and remember to hit done instead of launching the app so we can delete those install files. Afterwards, head to your apps and you'll see the new app is there. Click on it and you will see the insane amount of channels and events it has to offer. Head back to Downloader. I'm sure you know the drill by now. Okay, so here's the code. Remember, if you're having trouble remembering any steps or you need more time, you can always pause or rewind the video to double-check any steps you're unsure of. You know what to do. Just follow the prompts as before, then click Done and delete the install file. Head back to the Downloader search bar. Head to the search bar and type in this web address. When the website opens, we need to scroll down until we see this blue download button, then click on it. Scroll down again and you will see another blue download button and we need to click that one also. The app will then start to download, and you can now follow the on-screen prompts to get it installed. When it's done, delete the install files. Now you can exit Downloader and make your way to your newly installed app. Head back to the Downloader search bar. Open it up, head to the search bar at the top and click on it. Now, follow along with me and type in the web address you see on the video. This is going to take you to the website where we will be able to download